Notations. Uppercase letters indicate the method that is given priority in the study or the primary method used.
For instance, in this study, the notation indicates that the quantitative method was given priority and the qualitative method had less emphasis.
Arrows indicate that methods occur in a sequence.
In this example, the arrow notation indicates that there are two phases in this study, qualitative followed by quantitative.
Plus signs indicate that the methods occur concurrently.
In this example study, the quantitative and qualitative methods were conducted at the same time.
Sequential explanatory designs are quantitative followed by qualitative. This design is mostly focused on numbers, with qualitative information to back it up. For example, you might gather statistics first, such as scores, and then use surveys to further understand how these scores were obtained.
Sequential exploratory designs are qualitative followed by quantitative. For example, you may use an interview to gather information about a certain subject and proceed to create a survey based on the data collected. The initial information from the interviews would be the qualitative information. The numbers from the data collected would be the quantitative aspect. For example, if a student is self-monitoring his or her behavior, the researcher may use this type of design to first gather information about the function of the behavior. The function is the reason behind the behavior. This could be achieved through an interview. From the student's responses during the interview, the researcher will conduct observations of the student behavior and record every 7 minutes using a Likert scale. This scale will be based on the information gathered during the interview.
Concurrent convergent. In the concurrent convergent design, both qualitative and quantitative techniques are used simultaneously. The researcher must collect the appropriate data for each method and then merge the information to form a general conclusion. Approximately equal emphasis is given to each method, even though one can follow the other.